Good morning, everybody. My name is Connor Ramble with J&M Manufacturing here. We're going to talk about our brand new 14 Series Extended Reach Grain Cart debuting here at Farm Progress Show. First time we've brought these carts out for everyone to see, so we're excited to show you all the new features and the new new clean look of these carts provide. So the carts we're looking at here today are a 1,700 bushel to 2,100 bushel carts with a 900 bushel unload per minute rate. So carts are extremely fast and large. The cart we're looking at right here is a 2,000 bushel grain cart with a right hand unload. And if a left hand unload is preferred for your farm, we also have them available right here to your right. You can see them right there if you're left hand unload cart kind of people. We're going to talk about the design and durability of these carts. We've been working extremely hard to provide this streamlined, clean look that you see here today. And we've been able to do that by mixing the best of the weld and bending processes together. We've invested a lot in new precision machinery, able to get you this nice, sleek, and clean look. One thing I want to point out that's probably the most noticeable change is the front of the cart. You'll see that window there. It's 8 times larger than any other window we are currently selling on any of our other models. Gives a nice view inside the grain tank there for the tractor driver. On our lot today, you see a lot of black carts here, but just rest assured, we do also offer these carts in green, red, and blue. We've got 3 decal options available for the 14 Series cart. A Founders Edition, which you're looking at right here. We've got the Patriotic Farmer, which is the furthest down from me. That's the Millennial Farmer's cart. And we have the Standard Stripe right here in the middle of us. Let's show you here what's the one of the most exciting parts of this cart is the brand new revolutionary 4-way spout. Notice how the spout is perpendicular to where the trailer would be sitting right here. And this spout allows you to move in and out and left to right, okay? The spout left to right allows for 7 feet of travel left to right. So you can get a lot of area with that. These carts are large and fast, so we want to make them easy to use. So in order to do so, we've included what we're calling the integrated display systems on these augers here. Integrated display is pointed out right there with the numbers, the weight on it. Have them on these carts here too if you want to take a closer look. That's going to show you the scale weight of what's going on inside the tractor, along with when you turn that cart on and you get ready to offload into your semi-tractor trailer next to you, it's automatically going to switch to the net weight, giving you the weight that you're putting off and throw it into that trailer beside you. This integrated display also indicates gate positioning and speed lock settings. If you notice that red line that's moving, that right there is going to indicate the speed lock, not allowing it to go any faster than you so choose, okay? The secondary display here to the side, it's going to be nice for your combine operators. They're going to be able to know how much weight they're putting in that cart when they're unloading it. One of the big new features of these carts is we've developed and we've partnered with a company to develop our own J&M App. This application is going to be used for a lot of additional features here in the coming years. So we want to show you that. But just so we can make sure we put this out there, if you're not an app person, you don't want to deal with apps, you can still control this cart with the traditional controls inside of the tractor. So that's an option, but I do want you to understand that this new app is going to be a game changer for you and something you're really going to want to consider. The app on the screen might look like a traditional scale head, but it's a lot more than that. You can increase or decrease your speed lock setting with the button on that app, just simply sliding it up and down. That speed lock allows you to choose the maximum gate opening to better help control the unload speed. When that's set, the valve bank automatically opens to the exact speed with just a bump of a remote, so you don't have to worry about going too fast or making sure you're running at the desired speed that you want. We can open and control the electrical roll tarp up there. If you watch, Ryan just clicked the button on that iPad. It's rolling shut. If he needs to stop at the midway, he just taps the screen. It stops right there, and he can hit return. It'll go right back to where it started. And it'll also go all the way over and fold it across for you. The 14 Series has a new camera system. You all have been requesting some cameras on these carts, and each 14 Series will come standard with a rear facing camera. If you want to purchase the 2 additional camera options, you can do so, and those mounts right on the top here near the spout, so you can get a nice shot in a semi-tractor trailer. And you can also get one an elevated camera to on a point here to get a nice look inside the grain tank. It's elevated, so you don't have to worry about it getting dusty or covered. It's a nice feature there. Just a few additional things. In the app, we can look at the speed, how fast the tractor is moving. And that app will give us suggested speeds based on the weight that's in the cart. So if the cart's heavily loaded, it'll tell you, hey, we need to slow down. We need to operate at a slower speed. Just give you some nice safety enhancements there. Additionally, there's some maintenance tabs on there. We can talk about it'll tell you when it's time to grease the pivot points, gearbox oil change, driveline, and hitch PTO maintenance. A lot of good things in there. Keeps you up on your toes, make sure everything's up to snuff, and no worries about overuse. Now, if you decide to add the optional valve bank, which is something we'd like to have a conversation with you about, the optional valve bank is going to open up a lot of different features for you here in the next 2 to 3 years. We've got some really cool big things coming. And in doing that, this optional valve bank allows you to fold and unfold this auger here. So if you watch, Ryan's going to flip a button, that auger is going to fold down, and I want you to notice that spout's going to automatically turn in, and it's going to tilt in, automatically bringing the spout back to a home setting, allowing it to be tucked in close to the cart so you don't have to worry about hitting anything when you're in the field or out on the road. Same thing happens, he's going to hit that button, we're going to roll that auger right on back out. As soon as it gets to the top, you're going to notice it's going to start moving. It's going to move to its preferred unloading position. And everybody's preferred unloading position is different, so whichever yours is, you just move it right to that and hit the save and set button on there. Automatically goes back there every time. Another cool feature regarding the optional valve bank is the auto gate. If you want to unload a certain amount of grain from the cart, let's say 60,000 pounds, you dump in 60,000 pounds to the auto gate, it'll automatically offload that 60,000 pounds and shut that gate immediately after. We talked briefly on our roll tarps. We have a completely newly redesigned roll tarp features on all of these 14 series carts. Obviously, we have an electric roll tarp here. We do have some manual roll tarps here, and I encourage you to try using those. Going to be the easiest, smoothest roll tarp you probably ever used. Lastly, our track and tire options. So we wanted to offer you a single tire to give you a more affordable option and better option for road travel. We have 2 tires available for this 14 series cart, and we've partnered with Alliance to bring you the largest ag tire in the world, the 1400 45R42s, which is right here to my right. Before you leave today, I'd like you to stop by, take a look at that, and grab a photo if you want. They're extremely large, and when you get up close in person, it's unbelievable. If the 1400 tire is a little too large for you, you can still purchase the 1250 tires here to my left, which is on the other side of the demo cart. And lastly, if soil compaction is a concern, we're still offering the great Stabilizer 2 track systems. On this cart right here, our demo cart today, we're showing 42-inch set of tracks. If you'd like to see a set of 46-inch tracks, the Millennial Farmer's cart down here on the end, he's got a set of 46-inch tracks down there. And our 36-inch tracks right here at the base of this track tower are available to see. So we've gone over a lot of questions, or a lot of information here today in a short period of time. Highly encourage you to stick around, ask questions with any of our members of our sales team. We have engineers here on site today. If you'd like to take a look at the app and see how it works, by all means, come on up here. We'd be happy to show you. Thank you all for listening today. We appreciate it. We hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.